Shorten that leg in all the way for me. Slide that in. Bring it in. This car is a short wheelbase, so you got to get it like right on the spot. What about the other side? Can you make sure the other side matches?
Yeah, man.
This boy Sean heard work wheels, came out running with the camera, huh?
I
The guy's dream wheels right here, huh?
Liking those?
Yeah. Ooh, I don't want to put on the ground like that. I need another tire.
Here, I got you. He looks a little unequipped. We're gonna help him out. There we go. All right, even better. Slide it over this way though. So let me close the Supra in. So we got my good friend Ramsey. Known this guy since I was a little kid. He brought his Supra in. We're gonna put on these brand new badass work wheels he just got. Take a little sneak peek. See what's gonna go on the Porsche.
Oh yeah. Nice.
Porsche is silver and black with the arrow kit ring on it.
It looks gorgeous.
Yeah, I can't wait, honestly.
Really nice. The work wheel's gonna come with that little thing on it.
Nah, man, you gotta get Vossen. That's where the quality's at, bro. You don't pay for the wheel, you pay for the presentation. You know what you're doing here, Charlie?
Yeah, just figured it
You
out.
sure? This thing's got 2 sets of valve stem holes on one wheel.
Yeah,
You know why?
I have wheels like that on my S-Class.
Alright, well look, these are the little stubby things right here, alright?
Yeah, yeah.
So you're gonna put the little stubby ones in this hole right here. So that way it doesn't hit the brake caliper, alright?
Yeah, yeah.
You're gonna put this one up on the lip area right there, alright?
Yeah.
Do you know how to put these on?
Yes.
You sure? Have you ever done them before?
Yes.
Stop lying. He's lying. You know what the torque spec is on these?
Yes.
What?
4
For what?
Newton meter.
He's just guessing. On the box it says it's more than that.
I usually feel it out.
I'm kidding. The box don't even say the newton meters. Alright, so we're gonna trust in Charlie to torque these correctly. He's gonna look up on Google for the specs.
Not it.
I'm on camera? Oh god.
Charlie should help him with the light. Put the light over there. It looks good.
98% straight.
Yeah.
A little bit of work.
Yeah, I see what you did there.
That works.
Alright, don't peek, no, don't leave it on, leave it.
Alright, I'll leave it on.
Just leave it on.
Looks-
Finish it off.
does it look
with
straight or
someone
no?
else. Yeah, it looks good there,
Bro, it
right?
looks so good on camera. Look at that.
Straight.
Yeah. It's too late now, you gotta take it, take it.
No, it's not bad at all.
It looks good, that's what I'm saying, it's too late now, so we got 3 more to do.
I guess.
What are you trying to do there, Charlie?
Got a lot of background noise in it, huh? That's horrible cameramanship there.
What do you think it's gonna make?
I don't know, but I hope I can make it out. I don't know how I'm fitting in it. Oh my gosh. I was about to have neck problems after that. We got our guy George. He's been a JDM till he hopped in the E63. You know, it changed his whole life. He's a whole new man in the E63. We got our guy Charlie here. As you can see, he could fit in the Huracan for sure. I can't. I had
2 of me can fit in one seat.
Way easier getting in now, huh?
right. But look at me.
Can't even fit.
Driving with my knees.
5 minutes later.
This guy. What happened with this guy? Oh, I got a cramp.
I got no burble, bro. Give me burble.
He makes 750 plus. At that level.
Give me one pop, just one. Just that one pow. Yeah, just give me that.
Yeah, but the thing is, I think I have to go fresh.
Huh?
You have to do fresh with your car.
Do what?
Fresh file.
A fresh file? Just for one pop?
Yeah. Remember, theoretically, we only got 3 files for your car. Maybe. I can only think we got 2 files for your car. One E50, one E50.
So it's a mission to get just one pop. It's not a mission.
It's just more of like he wants to dial in the car for power and safety. So adding little shit.
My mission has been to beat Sean, and I finally beat him. And now his mission is to beat me.
It's gonna happen very soon, guys. South Florida's gonna have the fastest G20 M340, and it's gonna be me.
Hopefully I beat him again.
And it's gonna be racing him.
Hopefully I beat him again and he has to put more money and parts in his car.
Damn.
Yeah.
That's right. After the end of my build, I'm still gonna be a fraction of what he spent.
Damn.
You might need a diff and a tranny also.
That's due to towing a towing
axles.
company messing up my car.
Yeah. Yeah. No, that's after you build it.
Oh no, we don't need axles yet.
A diff, tranny, axles.
No diff yet either. Maybe a drive shaft. Maybe.
And a drive shaft.
That's a possibility.
Yeah.
Axles I should be fine with, but the diff should be fine, and then I don't know about the drive shaft. People has broken drive shafts though. That's fine though. 750, I won't come after you.
I wish you the best, buddy.
I won't come after you with only like weighing at 2,700 pounds.
27? What did you do? Cut the car in half?
We're gonna find out when the day comes. Charlie's gonna be like, yo, where's the rest of your car? Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
That's what we do.
He actually has a Z31 business. He knows everything about them, and he is.
So that's the keys? Keys to making coffee?
So this car was actually used from '84.
Coffee with Sean.
Mixed coffee
The way he
there, bro.
mixes that coffee. Look at that. Ain't no coffee stirs.
Yeah.
Perfect. If his coffee ain't swish, he don't want it. Make sure, yeah, that's for me right there. Splash, splash. Thank you, thank you.
I wish it was warm though.
All I taste is French vanilla. No shot. There's no coffee, nigga.
Bro, I put 3 shots of the espresso.
It probably tastes like the same thing I got from goddamn Einstein, bro.
It might be full of creamer.
I didn't know how strong this creamer is. This creamer is strong, so you might be right.
Strong as you, I tell you that right now.
God done turned the AC on in Florida. It's fucking cold out here.
Charlie has the other side. Not like
This is what happens when you're from Florida. It turns 72 degrees. You bust out the sweaters and the coffee. We don't even drink coffee. It's just cold. We need to warm up.
Got that low RPM burble on that thing, huh? 1500, you're burbling.
I like it. Sounds pretty good.
It really does.
What blows my mind that it's still 100% stock, besides just 2. I don't get it. I guess that's just Lamborghini things, right?
All right.
Thank you, guys. No worries.
No
Thank
problem.
you, guys. Thank you, brother.
Hey, stop. Get the last rev video before you leave.
Yeah. a selfie when it goes past like 20. They don't know where it's selfie.
Thank you, guys.
No problem.
Hey, well, I mean, hey, it sounds dope. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, they're fun cars, no doubt. Well, we got that one knocked out.
Alright.
Came in already tuned, making 494, 492.
Yeah.
She left with 512. There's not much more room to pick up. It was already tuned, had a good tune in it. But we definitely couldn't let it leave making, you know, the same horsepower. We had to make it a little bit more.
Yeah, you know.
And we added the burble to it too, you know. Got to put the signature on it.
Facts, the MTech signature, that
See what
burble.
these guys want. See what they're talking about. Sneak up on it.
Hey, it's not after 6 yet.
Yeah, what are you guys over here doing, man?
It is? What time is it?
6:30.
6 o'clock yet, bro.
6:29.
You gotta still work still, bro.
Oh my gosh. Oh, yeah.
Alright,
Yeah.
so pretty much we just wanted to give you guys at YouTube more of like a natural environment of what goes on here. So I want you guys to drop a comment below. Let us know what you guys think. Should we keep giving you guys detailed videos on one car, or do you guys want to see what goes on a daily basis over here and hang out with us on YouTube? You know, look who just popped up. It's our friend here, Jason. He brought his dog over here. He brought himself something from 7-Eleven, nothing for none of us.
No, I got a sugar donut
Typical.
for you. I got a sugar donut for you. It's delicious.
South Florida life. First day, the weather done dropped 4 degrees. He's out here in his New York winter suit.
Yo, I got a sporty.
Forget New York. Ready to go hunting. You about to go hunt.
I need that jacket.
I love
The
this dress.
MTech special.
Like that?
I love that, bro.
Yeah, man.
It's super fun.
Mercedes made it for me.
Longest
Sure,
intro,
I mean-
longest outro in the world.
Mercedes made it for me. Alright, but this is pretty much the end of the video, you guys. So I want you guys to let us know what you think. If you guys want to hang out with us more and see what happens here at MTech Life, you know, watch Sean pet more dogs
That's Buddy.
and him come here with food for himself more often. Drop a comment below. Let us know. Cars are real life.